Good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right. And lay down some kind of beat.
I think we need to cut our losses when we get our family and Portal out of here.
Morty, good music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Show me what you got. When the mother
One of my arms is bent. It's not snapped, it's bent. You ever bent carbon? I just bent it back into place. Ah, I got no props left. No props till tomorrow. Oh no, I hope I got some good footage for y'all. Y'all. Because I'm American all of a sudden. For yous guys. But yeah. I so wish I could fly that. Apparently it's illegal here. I'm not allowed to fly 30 meters of a building. Which is ridiculous. What? It doesn't make sense to me. I'm not going to hit the building. If I did, I'd pay for it. Anyway. Hopefully I get these props tomorrow. I really need them. Come on, Phaser. Normally, I've gotten stuff off them in one day before. It was cool. I'll try it. Hopefully they give it to me this time in one day. Oh, do you like my... This is the back of my car. Got my battery box. 3 used batteries down there and 1 used battery on the quad. Down to 6 batteries at the moment. Oh, what have we got at the back here? There's the old Rooster. And there's my FR Sky remote. I haven't done anything to it besides change the gimbals, and I prefer these ones. These are 10 times better. Fucking awesome. Take that off. Oh look, my beeping headset. Battery cord's just about had it, but here is my headset. G'day Stu, Grumpy Trev, and Crash Test Cow. Yeah, I bought these off Trev. I was like, can you sign them? Yeah, sweet. So yeah, bloody awesome goggles. I highly recommend these. The patch isn't the best though. Get a new patch. Yeah, that's pretty much my setup. That's my mate's quad and it's broken. Top plates fucked. So he's waiting. And look, there's the prop graveyard. I could take his props. No, I won't. Does that fit on this? Is it the one I'm missing? Nah, there's another broken one. That's like my last good prop of the HQs. I normally use dowels, but I'm completely out. These ones are all shoddy and hooked. Like they're still flyable, most of them, but yeah, not for decent footage. But yeah. So, what do you think of my setup? Oh, and I actually prefer my hat like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little rambling, seeing how I couldn't put much flight time in because I'm out of props. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and it was good talking to you. Let's do this again sometime.